Okay, you're on the air.
Okay, so the chef made me the carrot bread again. Oh my gosh.
If you tell by our dress, this is formal night here in the Estrella Dining Room on the Sky Princess. That's right. Okay?
So I have the wedge salad, and it comes with vinaigrette dressing, but I ordered mine with blue cheese. Now he's got the exotic.
Oh yeah. Check this out, y'all. You're going to dig this. This is what you want to go on a cruise for, especially when it's formal on the Sky Princess. We have. Let me show you. You ready? Drum roll, please. Escargot. That's right. There's lovely little snails.
Yeah, so there's something.
There it is. You never knew what escargot was. It is snails. It looks like little mushrooms when you see it here in the sauce. Excellent. They got the right amount of melted butter and garlic in these rascals. Tell you what, this is worth coming on the ship for. So come on, get on the Sky Princess. Come get you some escargot here in the Estrella Dining Room on formal night. You want to add to that?
I think it was good.
Okay. She says I did good, so that's cut.
He's gonna come take it on the shelf. Okay, so I got the land and sea. So I got, turn it this way so you can see it. I got steak and twice baked mashed potato.
You remind me of meat.
If you don't know what twice baked potato is, it's a baked potato. They scoop out the inside and they make it into mashed potatoes and then they put it back in the inside. Real fruity inside. And I have gluten-free gravy.
Gluten-free gravy.
Look, he's gonna take it out the shelf.
Yes, ma'am. Look at that.
Buy a little shell.
They make it look easy.
Bye.
What I try to do is it ends up flying out in the air.
They probably done so many and didn't even sleep.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Dump it all over that little shell.
Some more?
Yes, a little bit more. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'll take some too, sure. Oh,
We're gonna eat the lobster first because he's the best part of the meal.
perfect. Thank you, sir. Enjoy, Mom. Enjoy your food.
Thank you. Okay, so this is the lobster. The happy days. Okay, let's try the steak now because I asked you.
You're bad or you die.
No, it's good. No.
After 60 seconds, the screen goes dark. It's still recording, but
So I ordered my steak medium. That's pretty medium. Pretty good. Check that same thing. I didn't turn that camera off me.
I'd like a piece of the New York steak.
The steak is amazing.
the lobster.
Very good.
While Robin was showing you hers, my lobster's over here talking to me. You know what it said?
Hey, we want to take a moment to ask you if you're enjoying this video in any way, how about giving us a thumbs up?
And subscribe to the channel. We would really love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew. Now, back to the video.
Out the earthquake again. I have got the pumpkin and turnip soup tonight. How does that look? Pumpkin and turnip. Sounds pretty bizarre, doesn't it? Smell it? She wants to smell it. Oh, it smells yummy. This, if it tastes as good as it smells, I made the right choice. Let's find out. That is excellent. Excellent. Wow. I've never had this before. Thought I'd give it a try. I'm glad I did. This is good soup right here. Pumpkin and leek. Okay.
Pumpkin and turnip.
Pumpkin and turnip. I'm sorry. It's pumpkin and turnip. So, you want to show your salad?
No, I just got salad.
She just got a salad, so she don't want to show it to you. So, okay. Remember that. pumpkin and turnip soup. Wonderful.
I ordered this soup. I could call it by name, and guess what? I can't remember the name now. It's something chilled with 3 things in it. One of them apparently is orange. I'm gonna taste it, see if orange is a good flavor for this.
I don't think orange is in it.
It's orange color. Not necessarily orange in it. I have no idea what it is, even though I ordered it. But it's kind of yummy. It tastes like a little bit of sweet potato and carrots. Yes, it had carrots and sweet potatoes, I think, and something else. It's good, I'll just tell you that. So come to the main dining room here, the Estrella Dining Room on the Sky Princess, and get you some of the soup. If you don't know what it is, just tell me what the orange soup with carrots and stuff in it. That is
Okay.
Action.
I got the gluten-free spaghetti with bacon and cream sauce. Let's see how it tastes.
It looks good. Let's see if
It looks good. It's not bad. It's not terrible. It's not fantastic. It's edible. How about that?
I was hoping for a little bit higher status for that, but no.
No. Sorry, no can do.
Okay.
1 to 10, what is it?
5 1/4.
5 1/4. Oh, you heard it there, folks. 1 to 10, she gives it 5 1/4. I got Mama's lasagna again. I think I've done this once before, but I'm gonna do it again because it was so good the first time.
Enjoy your dinner.
Got it again. How about that?
I got their rendition of a banana split. It's a banana with vanilla ice cream and chocolate swirls.
There you go. It's a banana split.
It's very good because it's gelato.
Oh, it's gelato instead of ice cream, so that makes it a little bit better anyway, don't it? Mmm. Is it cold? Okay. Well, it's supposed to be cold, isn't it? All right, I've got something different tonight. I've got the sugar-free coconut cake. So I want to try sugar-free stuff whenever I can to let y'all know if it's any good or not. Well, I guess I better show it to you first. Don't that look yummy? Look at that. That looks yummy. Is it yummy? Mmm. Mmm. That's good. I wouldn't even know it was sugar-free. In fact, I don't know. Maybe you brought me the wrong one. It's that good. I can't tell that it's sugar-free.
Okay.
How about that?
We were on a cruise one time and we sat with. Okay, so I got the bacon wrapped meatloaf with corn on the cob, green beans, and mashed potatoes.
It looks good.
The meatloaf is wrapped in bacon.
Anything wrapped in bacon's got to be good, right?
Yes, that is.
Do you wrap your meatloaf in bacon? I never have, but
Nope.
we'll see how this works.
And so my meatloaf's gluten-free, so there's no breadcrumbs in it to hold it together.
That's right. This is gluten-free. Everything she's got here.
Whoa.
Well, what'd you say?
It's okay.
Does it need salt, pepper? Does it need
It
something?
needs something. Yeah.
Try some
Flavor.
salt on this.
There we go. Horseradish. Okay, go ahead and do yours.
Okay. I have got baked potatoes, green beans, and the prime rib.
Do you like it?
Very much so.
I'm glad.
Let me show y'all this first. Look at that. That's a big old hunk of meat right there now.
Was it like that?
Yep.
It's one of the best I've ever had out.
Prime rib, medium. Very.
Oh, did you get the lasagna?
Mmm. That is fantastic.
Thank you.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
Pepper for you, ma'am?
No, I'm good, thank you.
The all juice that's in there is fantastic going with it. And look how thick cut that is. Look at that coloring. This is wonderful. All right, did you add something to yours yet?
Horseradish.
We're gonna send it over and give her a retaste. How about this?
No, it needed a little bit of salt and pepper or something like that. So they put pepper on it, and I have some horseradish. It tastes good.
Thank you.
So tonight I have the gluten-free cheesecake. So it's basically crustless cheesecake, and looks like chocolate. I love cheesecake. Let's see what this tastes like. Well, it's probably the best dessert I've had. The chocolate has no sugar in it, so that makes it a little bitter. But it's not too bad.
Yeah, well, let me tell you what. I got the deep dish apple pie a la mode. How about that? It does not look like the ones that you get at home. It looks a little bit different. But we're concerned about the taste right now, ain't we? It's good. It's good apple pie. It ain't as pretty as the kind you get back home, maybe, but it tastes just as good. So there you go. Come on down here to the Sky Princess. Get you some deep dish apple pie a la mode.
So, turn around. It does have crust. It's some kind of nut. A ground nut. Not sure what, maybe walnut. Maybe walnut.
Apple pie's good. It tastes just like apples. A little bit of cinnamon. Got some vanilla sauce in there. Got some vanilla ice cream in there. Can't go wrong with that, y'all.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.